Hello, Maurice Dimba is my name. I'm taking this opportunity to welcome anybody who is willing to acquire some basics and advanced skills in TEKLA structures software to this channel. It is free of charge and don't shy away economically from acquiring the knowledge due to unfriendly fee structures from TEKLA trainers. I'm always online. Watch that video of your choice and place that question on the comment provision in this channel. I will respond positively back to you. Okay, today we are going to model a mono-pitched portal frame of 50 meters span and 120 meters long. Let's kick off by creating the grid. The grid here is a must create thing, similar to practically fabricating and erecting this structure in the field. The foundation comes first. Is the same with grid here in TEKLA. We'll go ahead and click on this default grid and feed in our measurements into these coordinates x, y, and z. Now from here, from x-axis, we will feed 20 because we have 20 columns at a span of 6 meters. We'll come to y-axis. First of all, before we move on, this is our axis, x-axis and y-axis. Now x-axis is this, y-axis is that. We'll feed that. Here on y-axis we'll feed 6 by 10 meters. That is the span. Now the heights of this mono-pitch portal frame will start from 0, will end up at 9 meters. From 9 meters we'll go to 11 meters. 11 meters. On the labels here we'll feed this alphabeticals F, all the way to U. Just go back and put a space there and come out, put a space there. There you are. Now we will go to y-axis. On the y-axis we'll feed the same but on numbers. There we are. Now remember on labels we have Z labels. Z labels, the values must be similar to this, to the values on the z-axis. Now we will do away with this negative for 50 to remain with 0. Now we'll do away with this. We'll feed our 9 meters. We will do away with all this and feed our 11 meters high. We are confident with this grid properties and the dimensions fed in. We'll go ahead and click modify. Go ahead and click yes. Close this. This is our grid. Now we'll come to this box, click on this box, right click again and fit work area to entire model. This grid is where our model will be placed. Now from here we are going to create views. Click on it, right click, create view along the grid lines. Go ahead and create. From these named views, we will click the views that will be very necessary for us while modeling the structure. Now we'll start with grid 1. Grid 1 will be necessary for us. We'll come down to just grid U will be necessary for us. Go back to cancel that, go back to view list. Grid U here will be necessary for us. Click that. Click OK. Now we will go to window and switch back to isometric view. Now from this is now our isometric view. We want to place our columns. We'll go back to grid U, go to steel, come to column there, place your column there. Double click on the column because it has gone way deep in the ground with a negative 450. We don't want that. We want it to start from 0, 0 level. We want a height of 9 meters here, 9 meters there. We'll apply that and accept that, but still we will come back to this column to change the profile. But for now we are going ahead and to place the next column here with a different height. We'll come here and type 11 meters. Modify that, apply and accept. We'll switch back to isometric view, zoom closer. We want to change the profile and change the orientation of this profile. We will double click on this. We'll come to profile. Under this column properties, we'll click select. We'll come to this dialog box of still profiles, and we'll select a profile of our choice here. Our preference is IPE as usual, being the UK standard. Now we'll pick IPE 400. We'll apply and accept that. Same here, we'll modify. It has changed here. You can confirm that. But this orientation is not good for us. We'll come here on position and rotation. We'll click back. The column has rotated. Apply that and accept that. Same here. We want same profile, same orientation, but on a different height. Double click on it, come to select profile, come down here on IPE catalog and pick 400. There you go. Modify. And before you admit that you are good with that, come to position and change the orientation. Click back and the column will switch its orientation. Click on the screen. Now we will switch back to elevation view at U. Now we want to copy these columns. We'll start with that. press Ctrl, pick that, right click, copy, pick it from this position, come here and place it here. Is not right. We'll pick this, right click, pick that from this position, place here, place this one here, just go all the way to the last grid there, right click and click on the screen to disable that command. Now we want to put the portal, we want to put the rafter here. We'll go to steel, beam and click that. Just snap the middle of that column on top, same here. There you go. Now next thing remaining is to create a connection and place the haunch. Now we'll go ahead and place our haunch here. We'll come here, we'll come to applications and components and type 40. We'll pick that, click this and this, we'll modify this, we'll close this to give us some clearance. Double click on this, go to bolts. On bolts you change all this. Here I'll put top, type 95, apply that. That's changed here. We'll change this to 60 change this to 4, put 4 there, put 60 there. We don't need this, we don't need that. Apply. Down here we can increase this to 100 and this also to 100. Will be bigger. 90 is okay. There you go. You go ahead and click modify, and before you click modify you want to adjust the thickness of this end plate. Go to parameters, end plate there, I'll type 16 millimeter thickness, only that. Accept, modify and accept that. Here is our haunch. We'll come here and do the same, but the haunch profile we have not changed. We'll come here to haunch and change the profile there to 300 under IPE catalog. Click 300, apply and accept that. Modify. We'll change the rafter itself again to 300. Change that to 300. Go to IPE down here. 300 and apply that. Apply and accept that. Come here again and apply the same, but the bolting will be adjusted slightly. Double click on that, close this, come to bolts and change this. Try to give it 100. $95. $100. Double click on this, change this to 100, not negative 100. Apply. Top 50. Down here 75. $60. Let's type 60. Adjust this to 75. Zoom closer. Nicely done. Apply and accept. Go to Hunch and change the profile. Apply and accept. Click on the screen. To disable that command, right click and redraw. Now we will come to base plates. We come to applications and component. Type stiffened base plate. Stiffened base plate. Base plate. There it is. Click on it and come to the base. Here, click on the column, click on it, switch back to isometric view. On isometric view, we want to edit this. Go and double click there. Zoom it closer. Go straight to stiffeners or bolts first. We want to use M20. The standard bolts as usual 8.8 XOX. Here we'll feed 50. Here we need 4 bolts here. We need 168 here. Definitely an offset of 50 here. And an offset of 50 and 50 there. Modify that. We'll go to stiffeners. The height of stiffeners we prefer to be 250. The width of stiffeners we prefer that to be 100. 100. Same here, 250 and 100. Chamfers on the stiffeners. Outside chamfering, we are okay with that. The inside chamfering we don't want. We'll do away with them by feeding 0. Feed 0 there. Feed 0 here. Feed 0 here. And go ahead and modify. Smartly done. Plate thickness, we prefer that to be 20 millimeter thickness. Click modify, apply and accept that. We are done with base plate. Now we will copy this to the rest of the column bases. Click that, place it there, and place this one here. Place this one on the last column. That one there, and place this here. Right click, disable that command. Same to rafter, click that, click copy. From that point, copy it here, copy it here, copy this one here. We snap at that point and snap at this point again. Right click to disable that command, click on the screen, right click again, go to redraw the view. Come to view, come to navigate, click rotate with mouse, rotate your model. Nicely done. But before we go on, we want to place our cup plate. Come to applications and component, type cup plate. Cup plate, and pick cup plate detail there. Come straight here and click on this column, click on top and put the cup plate. Double click on the cup plate, feed the measurements, double click on it. This dialog box will come. Go to parts, we'll change this to 200, breadth will be 200, height will be 420. That's okay. Modify, apply and accept that. But if you take a look here, this cup plate is clashing with the end plate. It's quite simple to trim off this. We'll come here, close this, come to view, navigate, rotate about that point. We want to trim this part colliding with the end plate off. Click edit, come to this point, click any position, snap at that point, snap here, click on that point and run all the way to that end. Now we'll go to edit, cut using line. Click on this plate, pick it up from that end and click here. Read down here on the command line, pick the side to remove. We want to remove this side. That's gone. Go to view, come to navigate, rotate about that point and turn your model around. Neatly done. Come back to this plate, double click on it, come to parts. You want to change the thickness to 20 millimeter thickness. Apply that and accept. Right click and redraw. Rotate. Nicely done. We want to copy this cup plate to the rest. Just click on it, right click, copy. From this point to this point, no, go there, don't copy it there, just come back here, click that, click on the column, click there. Nicely placed. Same here, click on the column, place it there. Same here. Click on the column, place it on top. Similar to this point, click and place. Click on the column and place. Place it there. Right click to disable that command. You can also refresh. Now what we are going to do, we want to copy this to the next grid away from this by 6 meters. We will do away with this. We'll switch back to elevation view. Now we want to copy this. Just select everything, switch back to isometric view, right click, copy, pick it from this point and place it here. Right click, redraw to remove all these. Now from here we want to stiffen a bit on the frame, on the portal frame columns. Now we will come here, come to steel, we'll come to beam, we'll place a beam here. Just place a beam there. On this, right click, pick copy. From here going upward, we need close to 7 meters. We need 8 meters here. 8 meters. 8 meters. Click OK. Just zoom out. Placed there. We can delete this. We remain with this. But before we undo this, we will copy this. Click that. Click on it. Copy this. Hold it from that point and bring it here. From here also, we'll click and copy it 9 meters high. From there, we want 9 meters. And click OK. (9 meters). Click and interrupt that. Press Ctrl, click that and discard. It is no longer of help to us. We'll come to end plate, type end plate here, end plate. Click that end plate, click on this main member and click that. Modify this joint by double clicking on it. The thickness of this is adjustable. You can feed 16 millimeter thick. Apply. Come to bolts, change size to M16. That standard is okay for us. An offset of 50 millimeter. We need 4 bolts there at a space of 75. This should be in the middle. Try modify that and see the changes. Want that to go all the way to 100. Offset these to 60. 50 is okay. 50. It's not necessary for us. An offset, here we don't need an offset. the way it is okay, but we can as well put an offset there of 50 millimeter. We can adjust this to 120. Fine. Apply that and accept. Come here and proceed to this end. Click this as the main part and that. TEKLA recognizes the settings that were made on this end and will automatically apply on this end. Same, we'll pick this as the main point, as the main part, and click this with the same settings we made on that first point. We'll apply the same settings here by clicking this as the main part and this as the second part. Having placed this, we will copy this to the rest of the frames. Right click, click copy, pick it from this point, bring it here, take it to the next, just proceed up to the last portal frame column. Nicely done. Nicely done. Right click to disable that command, click on the screen, and we can also refresh. Now the next thing is to place the side clad purlins. Now on the side clad purlins, we'll close that. We'll come here, come to steel, click beams. Want to create it here. Want to use this as our guidance. Click that. Run all the way to that end. Come here and click that point. The profile has come up, but is not the right one we require. Double click on that. Come here and change this. We want to use a C section. We'll come to C section here. We'll pick 100 by 50 by 10 millimeter thick, apply and accept. Come here and modify. But before you do that, you do accept. You will come here to position. We'll try to change this to left and below there, and try to put this to front. Right, apply and accept. We'll give it an offset of 50. Click on it and right click, click move. Click from that point and place your cursor here, going upward. Now type 50. Too close. Right click, move. We'll give it 100. Type 100. Enter that. Now from here we want to create our cleat. From here we want to create our cleat. We'll come to edit, come to points for guidance, type click any position, click that point and snap right here. Pick this point, right click, click copy, pick it from this point and place it there. Go to view to rotate your model and to see this point. Come to steel, come to beam, click that, Click on that point and run all the way to this end. Place it there. Once you place this here, just double click on it. We want an angled profile. We'll come to this. We'll run down to this profile. Down here. Down here. This is an angled profile. We'll click 90 by 90 by 6 meter thick. Click that, accept, apply. We come to position. And rotate this. Right. Turn this back. And take it behind. Apply that. It has aligned itself with this. Now we'll come to view, click that, click here and turn it around. Right click, disable that command, click on the screen. We want to offset this, now our purlin, by 50 or 10 millimeter. Click move, click on that point and place your cursor here, type 20. That's cool for us. Now from here we want to place the bolts. Come to steel, click bolt, click here, click this member first and this, and press your space bar and snap at that point. Run all the way to the end of this member to align your bolt. Place your bolt there. Your bolt is here now. Click here. Double click on the bolt to change the sizes of the bolt. We'll take M16 for us. Before we go ahead, we want this bolt to penetrate inward by changing this. We give it an entry of 20. We'll give it some washer. From here we'll give it on bolt distance X, feed 50. Try modify that. Nicely placed. Apply that and accept. Come to view, navigate, rotate with mouse, rotate about that point and turn. You've placed your joint there nicely. Click on the screen, rotate this. We want to do the same thing there, but we have to move our cleat the other end. Click copy. Copy it from that position. Just zoom out and click here. Double click on this. Give an offset of that. Try modify. Simple as that. Apply and accept. Click on the screen. Come to view, rotate with mouse, rotate about that point and turn. Simple as that. Now we want to populate this along the column. Click that, press Ctrl, click this member, click this cleat again and the bolts also. Now right click, come to Spatial Copy, Linear. But before we do that, we want to give our purlin an orientation. We'll come to View, click Work Plane tool, click there, right click. Now you can go ahead and select everything, click that and click this. You can highlight the bolts, you can highlight the bolt here, right click, go to Spatial Copy, Copy Linear. Now when you take a look at our axis, we have the X upward and the Y across. Now X will be of more importance to us. We'll feed 1 meter. We need 8 of this. Go ahead and click Copy and Accept. Click on the screen. Your purlins are placed here up to this end. We want to do the same on the other end, but before we do that, we want to change the orientation. We want to change the X axis. We'll go to Work Plane, we come to Work Plane tool and place our cursor here. You can use any, you can use XY, you can place it there, right click, interrupt that command. Now we will select all this, we'll select all this, we'll select that, click that, select everything, click that, click that, click that, click that and this. Just click everything and that, click this and this. Just move on, go on and copy and highlight everything. Pick that and this. Go the other side and pick the cleats. Cleats must be picked because the purlins will be hanging on the other side, which is not right. Click that. Just move down and highlight that. Highlight this also. Highlight this one. Now come and right click, go to Spatial Copy, Mirror. Now here we will look the midpoint of this. We'll go ahead and snap in the middle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a middle point here. We'll snap at this end. And place our cursor right here. Click there. It's not straight. Click Copy. It has snapped the other end. Click on the screen. Go to Navigate, rotate with mouse, click there and rotate. Your purlins has reached this end. They have traveled all the way from that position to here with the magic of mirror. Now turn around. Click that. click that, copy, snap at this point, place this one here. Right click to disable that command. Now you want to copy this upward at some distance. Right click, special copy, linear. You need 1, 2 can be okay for us. Click copy, apply. The attachment to the beam will be a weld, not bolts, on the cleat. Now remember to save your work most of the time while doing the modeling of any kind of a structure, because you never know what might happen to your computer or the power supply. Now go to navigate, rotate that. Nicely done. Next we are going to purlins on the rafter. Come to view, rotate this. Before we do that, we will align our axis with our rafter. Come there, go to view, come to work plane tool, click on the rafter, come to steel, pick steel beam. Pick it from that point, run all the way to that end, snap in the middle there, snap there. We'll change this profile, rotate with mouse, double click on this member, go to profile, run down here to steel sections, pick Z, pick that, we'll pick 200 by 14, apply that, go to position, rotate this, front, middle, front, back. Try all those, apply and accept. Now come and rotate this. It's sitting right on the end plate. You want to give it an offset of 100. Click on it, right click, and go to move. Snap it there and direct your cursor to that point and type 100. Enter that by pressing OK. Right click to disable that command. Now from here we want to populate this upward. Click this, right click, go to special copy, click linear. This is our X oriented sloping up with our rafter. We'll work with X, 1.2 meters. We need 8 of these. Let's try 9, apply and accept. Nine is more than required. Click that, delete that, click this and delete. Come here, click that, right click, special copy, linear. On linear we need only one member, but at a distance, at an interval of 1 meter. We'll click copy and accept that. Click on the screen, come to view, click rotate, rotate about that point. we will come to clips, come to applications and component. Here type purlin clit, and pick the purlin number 61. Click on the rafter and click on the purlin. Press your middle button on the key on the mouse. Double click on this. Go straight to bolts. Change this. We need sight assembly. We need sight assembly there. Threads we need there. We need some washer there. Place one here and 50, probably 50 here. Press modify. Accept that. Double click again. 1. Change this to 12. X standard. Thread necessary. Sight assembly 50. Okay, apply that. Now we will go ahead and do the same to the rest. Click this and this and press your middle button. Click this and this and press your middle button. Click this and press your middle button. This and your middle button. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. We come the other side. Click. And do that. There's a small error there. Now what we are going to do is to copy this to the rest. Just highlight everything. Highlight that. Click that, click this and that, and the last one. Right click, copy. Pick it from this point. Bring it here. Place it there. Place this one there. Place this one here. On the last. There you go. You have your monopitched portal frame. Turn around. We need a purlin here. Just get out of this, come here and copy this. Click that and that. On the other end also click and copy. Click this one also. Click that and click this. Right click, copy. Pick it from this point. Link up with this point. Link up with this point also. Place this one here. All the way to this point. All the way to this point. All the way to the last one, but this is the last one. Right click on the screen and redraw. Close this. Remember to save your work. Save your work. Click save. Go to view, navigate, rotate with mouse, rotate above that point. Now what we are going to do, we'll switch back to an elevation view, select everything here, switch back to isometric view, click on the screen. We've not selected everything. Highlight everything, right click, copy, take it from this point and place it here. Place it here. It will be a clash. Undo that. Place it here. Place it here. There's another one here. Place another one here. Place another one here. Just go ahead. Place another one here. Move ahead and place another one there. Place another one here. Just move ahead and place another one here. And the last one here. There you are. Interrupt that. Right click, click on the screen and redraw. Now click all these. Click that, press Ctrl, copy. Press Ctrl and highlight everything here. Click that, click that, click this, highlight everything you want to copy. You want to copy the purlins. You want to pick the purlins only. There, here, there, here. Make sure you highlight everything you want to copy. Click that and click this. Right click, copy. Copy from this point. To this point. Place it here. Nicely linked up. Check that. Nicely done. Do the same here. Not right. We'll pick this. Pick this. So press Ctrl. Pick that and pick that. pick this and that, pick that and this, pick that and this, right click, copy. We'll copy from this point and link up with this point. Link up with this point. Link up with this point. Just close all these gaps. Just close all these gaps. Go ahead and close. We are done with that. Click on the screen. Now we are remaining with the purlins. Click on the purlins. Click this. Click on the purlins. Click that. Click that. And the last one. Right click, copy. Pick it from this point and bring it here. Close this gap. Close this gap. Close this gap also, and this one too. Let's move on. Just move on. Place that one there. Place this one here. Place this one here. Right click, disable that command. Now we want to copy this on this, the gaps remaining on top. Click there, highlight this, copy that, copy this, highlight that before you invoke the copy command. Click that. Now we will click copy and pick it from this point. Just zoom, pick that point. Now we'll pick it from this point and end it here. And move to this point. And move to this point just to close all the gaps that were left while we were doing the copying. There. Everything closed here. Now what we are going to do is navigate around to see what we are going to do will be right for us. We are going to highlight all these purlins. Click on that. No. Just rotate. Click and rotate. Rotate about that point. Highlight everything. Click that. Press Ctrl. Click that. Click this one, and that, and this, and this, and that. Just move all the way and pick that one. Pick this. Pick this. All the way to the last. Pick that, pick this, pick everything here. Pick that one, and this. There you go. Now we'll right click and copy. Want to bring it from this point to this point. Copied. To this point also. Delete duplicates. To this point. Copied. To this point. Copied. Just move on nicely to that point. Copied. To this point. Copied. To this point. Copied. To the second last. Copied. To the last. Copied. Right click to disable that command. Save your work. Come to navigate, rotate with mouse, rotate about that point, and turn your structure. Right click, click on the screen. Click on the screen. Click that. These are the members that duplicates were objected, or actually was objected. That's why you see the color is turning yellow. This is a symbol that this was a point of duplication and was objected. Now to disable that color, you click on the member and click on the screen. Do that to every member. Just go ahead and do everything and clear everything, make everything neat, make everything have a similar color. Now you can go to view, navigate, and turn around. Turn around. It's a big structure. This is suitable for big storages like warehouses. There's a big go down. There you are. We will wind up here, and I'll be very thankful to I'm very thankful to you having watched this video, and don't ever forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos to come. Thank you. Morris Dimba here. Welcome to the next presentation.